Before we start, please prepare these things: activated charcoal powder, coconut oil, lemon bowl, hair coloring brush, mixing stick or spoon, gloves and towel. As we get older, the pigment cells in our hair follicles gradually die. When there are fewer pigment cells in a hair follicle, that strand of hair will no longer contain as much melanin and will become a more transparent color like gray, silver, or white as it grows. As people continue to get older, fewer pigment cells will be around to produce melanin. Eventually, the hair will look completely gray. Activated charcoal promotes hair growth and helps cleanse all these impurities, removes the sebum, and deep cleanses the pores to let your hair breathe. It unclogs the pores in your scalp, thus detoxifying the follicles. This helps the hair grow better. Lemon helps the activated charcoal to produce thick dye that can stay in hair much longer. Coconut oil used to moisturize the hair makes it shiny and helping the color much longer.